If you want to eat your beets, beat your meat, meet your beet. Hey yeah, it's Lauren Toyota, I'm hot for food, back with another video for you. We're gonna make something delicious, as always, some comfort food affair over here in my kitchen. We're having some fun with beets today. I'm gonna take some golden beets, these golden beets right here, very pretty, and I'm gonna make beet meat. I'm just kidding. It's not really meat, but we are going to roast these beets with a pastrami spice mix and make a beet pastrami Reuben style sandwich with sauerkraut, pepperjack cheese, and Thousand Island dressing. We're gonna grill them. They're gonna be toasty, tasty, sweet, savory, spicy, the whole thing. They're so delicious. I don't even really like beets that much. Like, I don't eat them very much. This made me eat my beets. I was very excited. They're tender. It's like a great sandwich filling. It's light. Obviously, it's not stacked full of like disgusting meat. Seriously, and it's healthy and it's great and it's still indulgent and satisfying. So let's get started. It's a fairly simple recipe. I'm gonna show you how to prepare these beets into beet meat and we'll go from there. So we're just gonna grind up these mustard seeds with a mortar and pestle here just to get them crushed. Everything else we're gonna use ground up though. So just add that to a dish along with the rest of the spices, which is black pepper, sea salt, ground coriander, smoked paprika, and some brown sugar. So your pastrami spice mix is ready to go. You can set it aside. We're gonna roast these beets first by coating them in some olive oil. And just coat them with your hands. The skin is on, I washed them. The skin is what's gonna help the spice mix sort of stick and look like a skin, really, on the sliced beets. So just use all the oil here on the bottom, coat them really well. And then make sure you have a big enough piece of foil to wrap these up tightly into a foil packet. So these are gonna go into an oven that I've preheated to 425, and these will probably take about 45 minutes until they're fork tender. All right, our beets are baked, roasted, steamed. Be careful when you open this up because the steam flies right out. And now we're gonna coat these in spice. So yes, you should be able to poke them like that with a fork easily. See, the juice comes out. Ooh. You're gonna put these back on the tray, like on the foil like this, so just spread them out. You can get all the juice that's left on the bottom also and get them wet. And then you can take them very carefully and put them in our spice mix. And now you're going to generously coat this. And then place it back on the foil. And so now just do this with all of these beets and then they'll go back in the oven for about another 15 minutes. All right, there is the roasted beet pastramis. I'm gonna slice them up now really thin so that we can make our grilled sandwiches. I'm pretty stoked on the way the beet meat looks. So now we're gonna make these grilled pastrami sandwiches. So you're gonna have to look for a vegan-friendly light rye bread. I found one, but hopefully you can find one where you are. Otherwise, just use another kind of, a little more of a dense, thinner slice of bread here because we're gonna grill it. It needs to be pretty hearty and can't fall apart. You're gonna need the Thousand Island dressing from the Hot for Food cookbook. Yum, yum, yum. Some sauerkraut, and I'm using pepperjack shreds of cheese. You could use sliced cheese if you want, obviously vegan friendly. Butter the outside of the bread, put the Thousand Island on the inside of the bread, layer up the cheese, the beets, the sauerkraut, and then a little bit more cheese. And then we're gonna go into my grill pan nice and hot with a panini kind of sandwich press and do 3 minutes per side until they're nice and toasty and melty. Whoa! Look at the golden beet pastrami sandwich, guys. This is a fat stack of awesome food. Trust me. I know you're maybe going like, oh, beets, I don't know. Trust me, it's good. Ready for this crunch, yo? Pretty much anything to do with the Thousand Island dressing. I'm just giving you more ideas for that. It's so good. Tangy, sweet, spicy, sauerkrauty, crunchy, buttery, cheesy. Ugh, I don't even know, it's everything. Who needs meat, seriously? I'm not saying that the beets are like meat, but like, they're a very fine sandwich filling. Make sure you slice them really thin like that. Oh my God. I also love sauerkraut so much. Anything like sour, briny. Also, let's not forget our little pickle. The fruit flies like the sour stuff too. Lots of food noises. Sorry, not sorry. Okay. I really hope you try this one. It's delicious. It needs some freaking chips on the side. I don't have any chips. I don't know why, I always have chips here. Anyway, let me know if you make the golden beet pastrami sandwich. I called it pastrami. You know, I was Googling because I didn't know the difference between pastrami and reuben. It's the same type of beef, like corned beef, obviously, whatever, we're using beets. A reuben style is a pastrami. So a pastrami sandwich just normally has mustard and like coleslaw. And then pastrami reuben style has Russian dressing or Thousand Island, sauerkraut, and cheese. So that's the difference, I think, from what I can remember from Googling. So anyway, I did it this way because I wanted to make it melty for sure. The beets need to be heated and it needs to be warm like this. And of course, I also suggest in my new cookbook, Vegan Comfort Classics, 101 recipes, I sound like I'm drunk, 101 recipes to feed your face, to take the Saved by Seitan recipe, which I show you how to make the Philly cheesesteak, the gyro wrap. I also showed you how to make stuffed crust donair pizza, so you can make a donair kebab sandwich, and you could also make a reuben sandwich with the seitan if you don't want to use beets. Follow the instructions, just replace it with the seitan. Delicious. All your dreams have come true. Okay, follow along on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on all the things, even on Pinterest at Hot for Food. Hotforfoodblog.com has the recipe for this Sammy. It is just delightful. I'm gonna keep eating. I'll see y'all next week for a brand new cooking video here on my YouTube channel. Subscribe, I'm here every Wednesday. Subscribe, please. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Love you all, love the notification squad. Make sure you're getting those notifications for when I post. And you can follow along on my other YouTube channel under my name, Lauren Toyota, also called Lauren in Real Life. Go check it out. Mukbangs, travel vlogs, Ask Lauren, lots of snickles. Okay, peace out. See y'all later.